I am Biresh MP.
I'm Kaveri T.
I'm Nutan F.
I'm Gautami and we are from batch 20 under the guidance of Professor Vanraju.
Today, in this session, we are explaining about the topic called face forgery detection. Let us look into what we are going to talk about today. Firstly, I will briefly explaining about the topic, I mean introduction, motivation and problem source, existing system, proposed work, objectives and initial plans. Let us start with an introduction. First of all, if we say the topic called face forgery detection means in our mind, we automatically think about the image. That is the first point which I had mentioned. That is, image are the way of communication. As we all know that some of the peoples in the world are misusing these techniques called manipulation of the face of the image by using different applications like Photoshop, FaceApp, and so on. So to avoid this misuse, we are come up with an idea called face forgery detection. That is, if a person face was altered to another person, just we are detecting that the image of a person is a fake or a real. In the next slide, I will be explaining how this manipulation was going on. As we are seeing that here is a three different varieties of image, that is attribute manipulation, identity swap and expression swap. Coming to the attribute manipulation, this manipulation also known as face editing or face retouching. It consists of modifying some attributes of a face such as color of the hair or the skin, the age, the gender and so on. As I had told earlier, there is an app called FaceApp. It is the best example for attribute manipulation. Next, identity swap. This manipulation consists of replacing of a face of one person in the image with the face of another person. Next is that expression swap. This manipulation, also known as face reenactment, consists of modifying the facial expression of a person. To detect this kind of manipulation, we are come up with this topic. And this is the brief introduction of our topic. And here is a Nutan will going to explain about the motivation and problem source.
Motivation and problem source. In today's development in digital technology, images are very simple to manipulate and alter due to the accessibility of numerous powerful editing tools like Adobe Photoshop, JMP, Coral Paint Shop, and they ended up with a threat for the authenticity of digital images. It is conceivable to add or remove different features from an image without leaving any undeniable proof of image forgery, which results in a high number of image forgeries. As a result of this alters the originality of the image. At present, people are facing image forgeries in many real-time applications such as court, data, financial, legal evidence, medical reports, high-value assets, even in scientific literature also. This motivates to design a novel framework for detection of image forgery and to distinguish the forgery image and the authenticate image. In this research, image processing technique are implemented to achieve an efficient result for detection of the forgery image. Here, Kaveri is going to explain existing system and proposed work.
Let us look at into the existing system and the proposed system. In existing system, there are mainly of two types of approaches that is used for face forgery detection. One is an active forgery detection and the other one is a passive forgery detection. In active approach, it is a traditional method that is used for detection of an image manipulation, where dynamic approaches verifies authenticity of image by means of adding a schemas and watermarks or digital signatures. These are the data that are hidden in image at the time of creation. And the next one is a passive approach. Here, it's exactly the contradictory of an active approach, where verification process is performed based on the information of a picture itself without using additional information. By using these two approaches, it will be very costly and it will not predict that accurately. Hence, to overcome this drawback, we come up with an approach to detect exact face of a person accurately within a less cost. Next, we will move on to the proposed system. Here, we focused on common tampering techniques. When every time an image is manipulated, it leaves behind some clues that can be studied to understand how it was being manipulated. One is an image splicing technique. Here, it aims at finding a splicing sensitive features and any disturbances in image patterns which are present in image because of a cut and paste regions. The next one is image retouching technique. It aims to detect in-painting forgery. And the last one is hybrid method. It is also called as a fusion method where two or more features is combined in order to make a robust technique. And various features are combined to detect a forgery accurately and more precisely with a minimum false positivities. And here is the Gautami is going to explain about objectives and the initial plans.
Objectives are predict the face of a person exactly he or she has done forgery of this face or not. In addition to the traditional fake detectors based on only on the image or video information, novel schemes should be studied in order to provide more robust tools. The detection should pay more attention on the facial features and it can be broadly categorized in terms of size and shape of the whole face picture, which suggest more fine grained features to detect it. Fusion techniques at the features or score level could provide a better adaptation of the fake detectors to the different scenarios. Initial plans. Our project is a combination of machine learning and image processing domains where we will be using Python as a primary language with OpenCV to develop the application.
By this, we conclude in this presentation that to avoid misuse of manipulation of face of an image, we come up with this technology. Thank you.